Yeah, people, so in DRV news, Shensia sold out Fillmore. Yeah, and this is what Tahir Laing had to say about December 31st. Oh, Teejay make you know say no investor in the NRL for dancehall right now. The thing less than 3%. Sean Starmer hold one of the original. Look no man.
Dancehall reggae vibes. Keep it locked.
Yeah, people, so it's another one I don't know there. It's your boy Grizzly Bear out there represent for dancehall reggae vibes. And me I tell you that one yeah, active and hot. I love the energy. Dancehall princess, you know who me I talk though? The 27-year-old artist. You know what I mean? Shensia. Sell out. Sold out. You know what I mean? The place rampack, jam pack, there's no more space. Some people have to go back at them yard, some people have to watch the thing on some live, but some people turn on them something.
Look, orange.
You know what it's mean? So, I got my own brick. Give me. Oh my God. Caribbean Massive, we did this. Sold out the Fillmore.
You know what I mean? Fresh like bread. Out her oven. You see me? So Shensia get her own brick. As you can see, she'll sign it. You know what I mean? And them things are iconic. It can't move again. So I did it forever. So the 27-year-old artist Shensia did it. You know what I mean? Another day, another one. So yeah, people. Tahir Laing, the son of Isaiah Laing. Zin. You know what I mean? He might clarify some reports where we know to see a go around on social media all over the place. You see me I say, I know what going already. You don't know say Skeng is being held on the same day with the big bad show, Kartel concert. I go on. So it create a little controversy within the whole, you know what I mean? So the promoters them advise, and this is what Tahir Laing had to say. You see me I say, he might make you know say I'm a reach high party, he must support. People come out, spend their money, spread the joy, share the joy, beer joy.
Dancehall music is not even 3% of the market share. So nobody is investing in dancehall music. Nobody is taking up anything give you guys, alright, as artists. Focus.
That one is serious, you know? That one is serious, bad. Less than 3%. How it look for dancehall next 3 years, 5 years from now? Because whole heap of young youth I invest them energy in a dancehall. And I look for dancehall be the breadwinner for them and them family. You see me? But this is an experienced artist who have whole heap of number one, whole heap of hits and been traveling the world, experiencing. You know what I mean? So I guess right now I'm disgruntled. So I'm express himself, the one and only Teejay. He might make you know straight. You see me I say? Straightforward say, less than 3%. Nobody now invest in the thing. What got happen when time the sound no change? You know what I mean? Or nothing no new, or nothing no come fresh where I grab the ears of the people them. You know what I mean? And then it's lucrative, because when you really think about it, it makes sense. It makes a whole heap of sense. And if it makes sense to make dollars. See? So like, share and comment on people. For the first time I hear the voice, we have $50 US a giveaway. Yeah, merch, credit. And the way to get involved in these winnings, yeah, subscribe to the channel. Information in the description right there.
Our music is not going anywhere. There's 3 million people live in Jamaica. Yeah, it might reach, yeah, we get a show. Yeah, we might charge them people at 20 grand, we might charge them people at 30,000 US. But what about next year when the music not evolve and reach other places, other people?
Dancehall, how about that?
Nice, street vibes from the original red rum.
You know, tell them, man.
Gosh, my G.
Yeah, man.
People, Gaza Nation.
Yeah, man.
Great.
I'm out.
Drink one of them liquor yet if you never get a taste or a sip. You're a toddler, you're young, You're fresh. You're young bud, as them would have said. Yeah? That is an original buckle of street vibes rum. You know what I mean? Street vibes, see now me head. You know what I'm saying there? Eh? Where the party there tonight, Chachi? You don't know? Hey, that is an original bottle. Held by the one and only real loyal friend. If you're not loyal like them money in this day and age, you're not loyal. The ultimate. Sean Storm. Yeah, and you can hear Night drop round this Vybz Kartel. Oh.
Dancehall, how about that?
Niceness, street vibes from the original red rum.
You don't tell them, man.
Gosh, my G.
Yeah, man.
People, Gaza Nation.
Yeah, man.
Free.
I'm out.
So yeah, people, you don't know, week strong, weekend, yeah, we want to call it. Peer party are going on at one place in Montego Bay at the Jungle Revert. Then, peer vibes, be a jump up and down, be a nicest, be a sitting and go on there, you don't know. Skeng is the artist too. Shell with the energy. But at this go on, it don't look good at all. I don't know what go on. The lamb and them, I don't know what go on. But, as you can see, barricade. You know what I mean? Big standings. You know what I mean? Artists can't pass. When you look around they say you can see Cycraft got that. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, it don't look good at all for the artists. Because the patrons they want to see the artists perform. But it look like the artists are trying to, you know, talk to the lamb and them and you see me? But it don't look good at all. It don't look good at all, man, film side. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, separate information. The artists never get to perform. And the people them left disgruntled. Because you don't know, the artists bring a different energy. When you see Skeng on the stage, it's a different vibe. The man have one style where it's different. So like, him just a float on him toe pipe gone over this and him just gone over this and him just, you know what I mean? Yeah, and then the artist's voice captivating. So the people them want to fear the artists and the artists have the energy and the artists have the power. You know what I mean? But this is what the law man them do. So, Skeng, I need a driver.
I don't want to I know some people want to see man security. And so I want money, we probably like you guys and him and do it through them sometimes. Sir, if you want to blame somebody, blame the people. One craft,